Hey guys, JD here, and this fabric shaver is awesome. I got this product to review, and I've been using it on a bunch of clothing within my house. A lot of things in our washer way too many times, and it just wears down the material. This works on shirts, pants, pretty much anything, but you do want to test this on a smaller area before you use it, just to make sure it doesn't rip or cause any issues. But for everything that we've used this on so far, it works extremely well. This is it right here in a nutshell, and it comes with this little charger as well. It uses a USB-C to USB-A cord right here, and it has a digital display on this end. So this has 3 different speed settings: high, medium, and low. It displays the battery life right here. So this does have a power lock too as well. So if you just hold down the power button for traveling, you'll see that the power levels will flash, then go down incrementally. Now, if you were to press it, it'll flash and it won't go off while you're traveling, no matter how many times you press it. Now to turn this back on, you're just gonna hold down this power button and you'll see that it will power back on. Now this does come with a replacement shaver that just goes right here inside of the head. And this just goes right on top. The replacement comes in this little bag here. You just take it out, put it right on top, and then you're good to go. Then you just screw this right back on. And then that's it. The other side, this is where all the lint goes. So you can see right here, we've got some already from some of the clothing we've been using. So you can just toss this and then you're good to go there. And it is magnetic, so it just clicks right into place. So now to use this, let's show you how it works. Especially with the baby clothing, a lot of this gets overworn. So we'll put this on the high level. You'll see that the fabric, all the little balls and clumps, they're starting to go and they're all gonna end up right inside of here. So when I go to take this off, you'll see that it's all right in here again. And now this area of the clothing is so much better than this area that we were dealing with before. So now the Velcro will actually stick a whole heck of a lot easier. Now this will also work on shirts and clothing as well. So this is also really balled up because I wear this way too much. And you can do this with an ironing board as well too. I'm just doing it for our purposes right here in the bed, but a solid surface would work great as well. So now we can see that this area that I just worked on right here is a lot better than on this side. Big difference. So if you're looking for a little pocket shaver for any clothing or materials within your home, I would definitely recommend checking this out. It's small, pocket size, easy to carry and travel. It takes about 2 hours for this to fully charge with just the USB-C right here. It's got the digital display and it's got an airplane lock mode, so you can take it with you. So this is kind of a no-brainer for me. I would definitely say check this out. This is something good to have around the house.